I welcome my YouTube channel for Maths Square Academy. Follow and subscribe for maths related videos of grade 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. So today we are going to discuss 10 multiple choice questions of class 10th. So first question is from the pair of linear equations. So the equations are intersecting, parallel, coincident, either intersecting or parallel. So we have to solve this one. We know how to write standard pair of linear equations in standard form, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. So we have to write the given equation in this form, right? So for that we have to do, that is 3x upon 2 plus 5y upon 3 equal to 7. So we have to write this in the standard form, means we have to multiply by LCM of 2 and 3, that is LCM is 6. So we have to multiply the given equation by 6, that is 6 into 3x upon 2 plus 5y upon 3 into 6, then 6 into 7, that is we'll get 6 into 7, that is 42. So here 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9x and 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. This is 10y. So the first equation will convert in standard form, that is 9x plus 10y equal to 42. This is equation 1. So second equation is given, that is 9x plus 10y equal to 14. Okay, this is second equation. So to check the lines intersecting or parallel, we have to find the ratios of the given equation, that is a1 upon a2, that is here a1 upon a2 is 9 upon 9, that is 1 upon 1, that is 1, right? So similarly we have to find b1 upon b2, that is 10 by 10, that is also equal to 1. So third one, that is c1 upon c2, that is 42 upon 14. So that is 14 1s are 14, 14 3s are, this is 3. So from this you can see that the ratios are a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. This is the condition for, we know that is parallel lines. So option B is right answer here. Okay, in this way you are going to solve the pair of linear equations. Next question, that is from the circles. Here you can see the figure. In the given figure, PQ is a tangent to the circle centered at O. If angle AOB is given 95 degree, then the measure of angle ABQ will be. So we have to find the measure of angle ABQ. So you see here in the diagram, the center angle is given, that is 95 degree. Here I will draw diagram again because white is not properly visible diagram. So this is the diagram, this is the tangent, this is Q, this is P, this is B. Okay, this is center O, this is A, this is the chord. So this is given 95 degree, right? So now we have to find the angle A and B. So you can see from the figure, that is OA and OB are radius, therefore triangle AOB is an isosceles triangle. So from the triangle AOB, the sum is 180 degree, right? From that you subtract 95 degree, so you get 85 degree, right? So here the 85 degree you have to sum of angle A and plus angle B. Okay, so both are equal, means you divide by 2, angle 85 degree upon 2 will give you 2 4s are 8 and this is 2.5, so 42.5 degree. So angle A 42.5 and angle B also, this one angle OBA, angle OBA is equal to 42.5 degree. Okay, you got angle OBA. So we want ABQ. So from the figure, you know that the perpendicular, the line joining from center to tangent is always perpendicular. So this, you know that the property is there. So the center to tangent is always perpendicular. So to find the angle ABQ, here you have to do, that is 90 minus angle 42.5 degree. So this will give you 47.5 degree. So angle ABQ is 47.5 degree. So option A is correct. So in this way you can solve the multiple choice questions. Next question, that is from the trigonometry. So here no need to fear about the trigonometry. These are a simple concept. Only thing you have to learn the trigonometric identities and you have to apply that one, right? So here question is 1 plus cot square alpha divided by 1 plus cosec alpha. So this is the question given. So we have to simplify, and which answer will come we have to take here, right? To solve this one, what we have to do is, so see the question first, what property we can apply. Just you have to think, right? So here what we'll do the rationalize the denominator. Okay, we know the properties of rationalizing the denominator, so we apply that one. So given question is 1 plus cot square alpha divided by 1 plus cosec alpha. So to rationalize this one, 1 minus cosec alpha divided by 1 minus cosec alpha. So we'll keep 1 as it is. So simplify this first one, second term. Okay, that is cot square alpha 1 minus cosec alpha divided by, so you see this one property, a plus b, a minus b. So we can write a square minus b square, that is 1 square is 1 minus cosec square alpha. So that is 1 plus cot square alpha 1 minus cosec alpha divided by, so we know the property, that is 1 plus cot square alpha is equal to cosec square alpha. So if you shift this term to here and cot square alpha to this side, so what it will become, 1 plus 1 minus cosec square alpha is equal to minus cot square alpha. So what we'll do here, 1 minus cosec square alpha is there, so we'll put there minus cot square alpha. So that we can do here. First write 1 plus cot square alpha into 1 minus cosec alpha divided by minus cot square alpha. Now you can see this cot square alpha and cot square alpha will get cancelled. So this will become this plus into minus. We have to multiply this one, plus into minus, minus. So this is minus 1 minus cosec alpha. So now you can see 1 minus 1, minus into plus 1, minus 1, minus into minus, that is plus cosec alpha. So this will 1 minus 1 will get 0. So answer is cosec alpha. So in this way you can simplify the cosec. The answer is cosec alpha, right? So in this way you can try and to solve the trigonometry sums. Next question, again it is based on the trigonometries, but simple question is there. So just we have to put the values of sin 60, tan 45, cos square 30. Okay, so for this you should know the trigonometric angles, means sin 30, cos 60, all these angles you should remember. So how we can do this one? First one is sin square 60. Sin 60 is, we know the value of sin 60 is root 3 upon 2 whole square plus 2 tan 45. So you know that tan 45 is, it is always 1. So minus cos square 30. Cos square 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. So simplify this one now. Root 3 square is 3, 2 square is 4, plus this is 2, again minus root 3 square is 3 upon 4. So plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 will get 0, and remaining answer is 2. Okay, in this way you can solve this question. So answer is here, that is first option, answer is 2, A1. Next question, again applications of trigonometry. So how we can simplify this one? Here question is given, an observer 1.5 meter tall is 25.5 meter away from the tower. For example, first you draw the tower here, whose height is 22 meter. Here is a boy standing, whose height is 1.5 meter. This is a parallel line from his eyes, so means this is 1.5 meter, right? Yes. So how much away he is? He is again 20.5 meter away from the tower. So here is a boy. This is the tower. AC is a tower. Okay. Then this is the point D. Okay. So from his eyes up, he is observing the height of the tower. Okay. So here is the angle of elevation. So this theta we have to find here. Angle of elevation we have to find. So for that, first you have to find the height of DC. So AC you know 22 meter. From that you subtract 1.5 meter. So that will give you DC length. So DC length is 20.5 meter. So you know the DC, you know the BD value, right? So you know the theta is this one. This is the opposite side, and this will be act as adjacent side. So you know the adjacent side and opposite side. So which ratio you have to take? That is tan theta. So opposite side is 20.5 and adjacent side is also 20.5 degree. So this 20.5 meter. So this answer is 1. So tan theta is equal to 1. So for which value of angle tan theta is 1? That is for tan 45 degree, the answer is 1. So here you compare. So therefore theta equal to 45 degree. Okay. Yes, in this way you are going to solve this question. The option is B1, that is angle is 45 degree. Okay. So we'll move to the next question. So question is, the perimeter of a triangle with vertices 4, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 3. So here options are, sorry for the options, here some mistake is there, 7 plus root 5, and one more option is 15 units. Okay, these are the options are there. So here question number 7, we have to find the perimeter of a triangle, right? So assume that this is the graph. So this is the center, that is O, 0, 0. So first point is 4, 0. 4, 0, here it lies on a x-axis, correct? It lies on a x-axis, that is 4, 0. Okay, and 0, 3, it is on a y-axis, that is 0, 3 here. So this length you know up to here, this is 4 unit, this will be 3 units up to here. Okay, so triangle, this is the triangle here, it is created. So to find the perimeter, so you should find this height, this length also. So you know that this is a right angle triangle. So by using Pythagoras theorem or by Pythagorean triplet, you can find the hypotenuse is, it is 5 unit. You can find this is 5 units. Okay, so perimeter, now you add all these sides, so you get the perimeter 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 3 plus 4 is 12, 12 plus 5 is 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. So answer is 12 units. That is option number D. So in this way you can simplify. That is question number 7. Okay, yes. So next question, area of a sector of angle P of a circle with radius R. So here they given the area of sector formula we have to identify. This is the question from the exercise from the area related to circles. Okay, so we know that the formula, that is area of sector, is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Okay, so it should be pi r square. So it may be second option or maybe last option, fourth one. So here pi r square, but here 180 is there, so this is not a right option. So you can see this 2 and this can divide, you get this is 360. Okay, here you get 360, therefore option number D is right answer. Okay, yes. Next question, the length of the minute hand of a wall clock is 7 cm. So length of a minute hand of a wall clock is given. So you see wall clock will be in a circle. So this is the center, this is the radius, that is minute hand, 7 cm. Okay, then you have to find the area by the minute hand in 10 minutes. If you, for example, assume that this much it will move. Okay, so if this much it will move in 10 minutes, so you have to find the area served by the minute hand, right? So that is, you have to find the area of a sector. Okay, so first you should know what is the angle here, theta. So for that we know in 1 minute, minute hand cover, how much it will cover? It will cover 6 degree. So for 10 minutes it will cover how much? That is 60 degree it will cover. So in this way you can find this is the value of theta. Okay, so angle you come to know, radius you know, then we can find the area of sector. That is area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Okay, put the values and simplify. Theta is 60, this is 360, 22 by 7, r square, that is 7 cm, 7 cm. This 7 will get cancelled. So 60 ones are 60, 66 are 360. So this is 1 by 6. Now 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 11s are. So 11 into 7, 77 upon 3. This will give you 25 of 2 by 3 centimeter square. In this way you can simplify the answer. This is the area covered by the minute hand in 10 minutes. That is option number D is a right answer. So last question is about reason and assertion question. That is statement A and statement assertion A, assertion and reasoning question. Okay, so first we have to find here, that is option given assertion and reason are correct or not. First you have to find that one. If it is correct, you have to choose either A or B. If either any one false, you have to go for option number C and D. First check distance of P from A comma B from origin is A square plus B square. Is this right? We know the distance from center to P is, that is A square root of A square plus B square. But here square root is missing, right? That is why this is false. And what about second option? The distance between the 2 points A x1 y1 and x2 y2 is, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. It should be plus. Okay, this is plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so here this statement is correct. So first one is false, second one is correct, right? That is assertion is false but reason is true. Yes, that is the right answer. So option number D is correct. So in this way you can simplify the multiple choice questions. For more videos,